place. Myrica rubra, also called yang mei, yamamomo, Chinese bayberry, Japanese bayberry, red bayberry, yumberry, waxberry, or Chinese strawberry, and often mistranslated from Chinese as arbutus, is a subtropical tree grown for its sweet, crimson to dark purple-red, fruit. It is a small to medium-sized evergreen tree growing up to 10 to 20 meters, 33 to 66 feet, high, with smooth gray bark and a uniform spherical to hemispherical crown. It is dioecious, with separate male and female plants. It tolerates poor acidic soils. The root system is 5 to 60 centimeters, 2.0 to 23.6 in deep, with no obvious taproot. 9th place. Salak is a species of palm tree, family Aracaceae, native to Java and Sumatra in Indonesia. It is cultivated in other regions of Indonesia as a food crop, and reportedly naturalized in Bali, Lombok, Timor, Maluku, and Sulawesi. The Salak glabrescens was featured on a Malaysian stamp, issued the 27th of February 1999 under the Rare Fruits series of stamps. It is a very short-stemmed palm, with leaves up to 6 meters, 20 feet, long. Each leaf has a 2-meter-long petiole with spines up to 15 centimeters, 5.9 in long, and numerous leaflets. 8th place. Akebia quinata, commonly known as chocolate vine, five-leaf chocolate vine, or five-leaf akebia, is a shrub that is native to Japan, China and Korea, and invasive in the eastern United States from Georgia to Michigan to Massachusetts. Akebia quinata grows to 10 meters, 30 feet, or more in height and has compound leaves with 5 leaflets. The flowers are clustered in racemes and are chocolate-scented, with 3 or 4 sepals. The fruits are sausage-shaped pods which contain edible pulp. The gelatinous placentation contains seeds surrounded with white pulp, that has a sweet flavor. The fruit contains a sweet soft pulp resembling a white dragon fruit. Eaten primarily in Japan as a seasonal delicacy. 7th place. The rambutan is a medium-sized tropical tree in the family Sapindaceae. The name also refers to the edible fruit produced by this tree. The rambutan is native to the Indonesian region and other regions of tropical Southeast Asia. It is closely related to several other edible tropical fruits including the lychee, longan, and mamoncillo. The name, rambutan, is derived from the Malay word rambut meaning hair, a reference to the numerous hairy protuberances of the fruit, together with the noun-building suffix "an". Similarly, in Vietnam, it is called chom chom, meaning messy hair. 6th place. Pandanus is a genus of monocots with some 750 accepted species. They are palm-like, dioecious trees and shrubs native to the Old World tropics and subtropics. Common names include pandan, screw palm, and screw pine. They are classified in the order Pandanales, family Pandanaceae. Often called pandanus palms, these plants are not closely related to palm trees. The species vary in size from small shrubs less than 1 meter (3.3 feet) tall, to medium-sized trees 20 meters (66 feet) tall, typically with a broad canopy, heavy fruit, and moderate growth rate. The trunk is stout, wide-branching, and ringed with many leaf scars. 5th place. Passiflora edulis is a vine species of passion flower that is native to southern Brazil through Paraguay and northern Argentina. It is cultivated commercially in tropical and subtropical areas for its sweet, seedy fruit, commonly called passion fruit. The fruit is a pepo, a type of berry, round to oval. either yellow or dark purple at maturity, with a soft to firm, juicy interior filled with numerous seeds. The fruit is both eaten or juiced. The juice often added to other fruit juices to enhance aroma. The passion fruit is so called because it is one of the many species of passion flower. The English. 4th place. Citrus medica var. Sarcodactylus, or the fingered citron, is an unusually shaped citron variety whose fruit is segmented into finger-like sections, resembling those seen on representations of Buddha. It is called Buddha's hand in Chinese, Japanese, Korean and Vietnamese. The different cultivars and variations of this citron variety form a gradient from open hand types with outward splayed segments to a closed hand types, in which the fingers are kept together. There are also half-fingered fruits, in which the basal side is united and the apical side fingered. The origin of this kind of citron is commonly traced back to the Far East. 3rd place. The durian is the fruit of several tree species belonging to the genus Durio. There are 30 recognized Durio species, at least 9 of which produce edible fruit. With over 100 named varieties in Indonesia, 300 in Thailand and 100 in Malaysia. Durio's abethinus is the only species available in the international market. Other species are sold in their local regions. It is native to Borneo and Sumatra. Named in some regions as the king of fruits, the durian is distinctive for its large size, strong odor, and thorn-covered rind. The fruit can grow as large as 30 centimeters, 12 in long and 15 centimeters, 6 in diameter, and it typically weighs 1 to 3 kilograms, 2 to 7 pounds. Second place. A pitaya or pitahaya is the fruit of several different cactus species indigenous to the Americas. Pitaya usually refers to fruit of the genus Stenocereus, while pitahaya or dragon fruit refers to fruit of the genus Hylocereus, both in the Cactaceae family. The dragon fruit is cultivated in Southeast Asia, Florida, the Caribbean, Australia, and throughout tropical and subtropical world regions. These fruits are commonly known in English as dragon fruit, reflecting its vernacular Asian names. The names pitahaya and pitaya derive from Mexico, and pitaya roja in Central America and northern South America, possibly relating to pitahaya for names of tall cacti species with flowering fruit. Pitahaya producing cacti of the genus Hylocereus, originally native to a region including Mexico, Guatemala, Nicaragua, Costa Rica, El Salvador, and northern South America. First place. Cucumis metuliferus, horned melon or kiwano, also African horned cucumber or melon, jelly melon, hedged gourd, melano, is an annual vine in the cucumber and melon family, Cucurbitaceae. Its fruit has horn-like spines, hence the name, horned melon. Ripe fruit has orange skin and lime-green, jelly-like flesh with a refreshingly fruity taste and texture similar to a passion fruit or pomegranate. C. metuliferus is native to sub-Saharan Africa. It is now grown in the United States, Portugal, Italy, Germany, Chile, Australia, and New Zealand. Kiwano is a traditional food plant in Africa. Along with the gemsbrick cucumber, Acanthosuchios naudinianus, and Sama, citron melon, it is one of the few sources of water during the dry season in the Kalahari Desert. In northern Zimbabwe it is called gaka or gakachika, and is primarily used as a snack or salad, and rarely for decoration. It can be eaten at any stage of ripening, but when over-ripened, That's all, dear friends. If you liked this video, put likes, leave comments and subscribe to our channel.